My name is Christy Heaton, and I'm one of the admissions officers here at Kellogg. I'm going to share with you a few tips on applying to the Kellogg Future Leaders, our deferred MBA program. My first tip is to be yourself. We want to hear about what makes you unique and different and awesome. So tell us your story. Don't tell us what you think we want to hear. Tell us what makes you, you. Where have you been? What are you doing now? And where do you want to go? Use the whole application to tell us that story. Each part can tell us something different. Be thoughtful about the examples you choose and try not to use the same story over and over and over again, no matter how great of a story and example it is. My second tip for you is to do your research on Kellogg so you can tell us why this is the right place for you. Learn about what Kellogg has to offer, but specifically to you. Which majors and pathways fit your goals? What clubs are you interested in? Talk to students. Also, I would suggest you research your career goals. Talk to people in the roles you think you want to be in. We know that those goals may change and shift over the next 2 to 5 years, and that's absolutely fine. But tell us about why you want to pursue those goals now, today. Next, I want to talk to you about the letter of recommendation and who should be writing it. We ask our applicants to submit one letter of recommendation, and the admissions committee is most interested in someone who knows you well. Your recommender can be an internship or a current supervisor, a professor, or an advisor for an extracurricular or campus activity. Choosing the person that knows you well and can speak to your growth and potential is the best choice. I think it's a great idea to help your recommender understand why you're interested in Kellogg and how you want your Kellogg MBA to further your career goals. But a note of caution here. Meeting with them, making sure they understand your goals is great. Writing any part of your recommendation letter is not. So make sure you pick someone who's going to take the time to do you justice. Someone who asks you to write any part of the recommendation letter is not your best choice. The next thing I want you to think about is that there's no one single factor that determines if you get into Kellogg. You can go ahead and take a look at our class profile to see if you align with the averages in the GPA or the GMAT. But remember, those are only averages, and we take people in the whole spectrum. We have an incredibly holistic review process, and we're looking to get to know our candidates in a very complete and thorough way. We understand all of our candidates are coming with strengths and weaknesses, and that's okay. We really want to get to know you, the applicant, overall. Okay, my last tip here, submit whenever you're ready before the deadline. There are no extra points for submitting early. You have from now until the application deadline to put together the most complete and thorough application possible, so use it. We are so excited to receive your application and can't wait to hear your story. Best of luck to you.